Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to refund money on Cash App. So to get started, the first thing to do is to open your Cash App and go to activities, which is the clock icon. Then select the payment you went to refund. Then tap the free dot icon, then select refund, then tap OK. So if the refund option doesn't appear, it may be because the recipient already accepted it and the payment are instantly and can't be cancelled after that, or it is a merchant payment from a card, might need to request or dispute. Then if refund isn't available, ask the recipient to refund it from their own activities feed using the same step. And if they refuse or they don't respond, tap the activity, click on payment, then click on the three dot icon, then click the report and issue or dispute. Then follow the prompt to contact Cash App support. Then once that is done, they can proceed with whatever information or whatever they ask you to do and what to expect. So if it is to call them, what is to expect is the peer-to-peer refund are instant if done within the app. Then the merchant refund may take up to 10 business days. And here are the tips and warning. Cash App payments are irreversible once accepted, so act quickly if wrong and be wary of refund scam. Don't refund unexpected money from any strangers and don't manually send money to someone claiming they overpaid. So that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the vision button and subscribe for more. Thanks.